Ciao, I'm Laura, your guardian angel in the kitchen. Born in Calabria, raised in Rome, and having lived in Milan, I carry the essence of Italy with me. And now I'm here to share the magic of traditional Italian recipe with you. Whether you're looking for an easy weekday meal or a weekend culinary challenge, I got you covered. With step-by-step instruction, photo, and video, it will feel like I'm right there with you, your angel in the kitchen. Quality ingredient, authentic flavor, and the joy of cooking. That's what your guardian chef is all about. No compromise, no shortcut.
And I am Deborah Moore, your voiceover guide, and I will make sure you never mispronounce bruschetta again.
I'm the mischief maker in the kitchen. I represent the funny myths and mistakes about Italian cooking online, and I'm here to tempt you.
So join me in this delicious journey and let's create everlasting memories together. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'm not a chef. I'm Italian. And for us, food is like a religion.